In an effort to help manage sargassum influxes throughout the Caribbean, Barbados is developing a drone monitoring protocol which can be used to help calculate the volume of sargassum washing up on beaches. For the protocol, a drone is flown between 45 to 60 meters above ground level over the Sargassum survey area. The site area is a 100-meter stretch along the beach with 5 transects at 20-meter intervals. Using a measuring tape, the start of the transects are marked with flags and buckets. The beginning and the end of the site area is cleared of sargassum to mark the boundary. A white disc and flag is then used to mark the beginning of fresh sargassum along the transect. Once the entire site area has been demarcated, a 0.5 meter quadrat is placed at the beginning of the first transect. Using a measuring stick, the height of sargassum at the center of the quadrat is measured. The quadrat is then flipped along the transect and the method is repeated. This is done for each transect. The data is recorded on a slate, and the change from old gold to fresh sargassum along the transect is noted. Together, the drone imagery and the ground truthing results are used to help determine the volume of sargassum that washes up on beaches.